Modifying background, methods, and/or assessment access. You may wish to disable certain parts of STEM-SIMs for pure inquiry lessons, or to use the assessments as both pre- and post-test. The background, methods, and assessment section of STEM-SIMs may be temporarily disabled. To do so, select the Account tab from the top menu bar. Next, choose the Student Options button, and the Page Access Controller appears on the right side of the screen. Use the radio buttons to disable access to any of the sections you choose. Select the Save Access Changes button, and the next time your students log into STEM-SIMs, those disabled sections will not be visible. To turn back on any of disabled sections, again, select the radio button for that section and make sure to select the Save Access Changes button